Hello friends, today we will learn Tizen operating system. Today, mobile operating system is becoming more powerful than computer operating system. The Android is a good example of a mobile operating system that is rapidly improving day by day. There are many other mobile operating systems that you are unaware of. One of such operating system is Samsung's Tizen. Today, we are going to learn about Tizen versus Android comparison. Let's learn about what does it mean by Tizen OS. Intel and Samsung announced a partnership to create a new Linux-based operating system called Tizen. Tizen is an open source operating system whose standards are based on Linux operating system. Apart from the OS, Tizen also supports HTML5 and WAC-based external applications. Tizen is widely used in a variety of different devices, which includes smartphone, tablet PCs, smart TVs, laptops, and driving entertainment system. Let's compare this Tizen with Android. We could say Tizen and Android is very similar as they both are based on Linux system, but there are lots of differences between them. Here I have listed all the points related to Tizen versus Android. The first main difference between Tizen and Android is that Android and iOS prefer using Java and Objective-C language to write applications, while Tizen developers are encouraged to write HTML5 applications. Tizen system itself has advanced internet features, while HTML5 has better internet performance, especially for mobile devices, which can provide smoother internet experience. Tizen version 3 supports 64-bit processor, which is now provided on Android phones also. Multi-touch gesture are supported in Tizen. Multitasking is also supported just like on Android devices. Tizen devices has same swipe down notification bar similar to Android phone. Tizen is very lightweight operating system that offers a faster startup as compared to Android OS. Tizen's 3D window effect will provide best support for apps and games that require advanced 3D graphics features. Tizen has very improved scrolling and rendering performance for smoother web browsing. Tizen has dynamic box icons which can be resized get the information quickly. Moving to the pros of using Tizen operating system over Android operating system. First one is Tizen operating system is flexible, which means you can run Android apps on Tizen and the other applications made for Tizen OS are compatible with operating systems like iOS and Android. Samsung Tizen lowers the battery consumption of devices, which makes the battery of Tizen OS device last longer. Ultra power saving mode is really a good in saving the battery. Tizen operating system is very smooth to use. The smoothness is better than Android. It is likely because of Tizen has advanced internet features and HTML5 apps. The user interface can be customized and has faster responding time than Android. Tizen uses very lightweight files, so memory is not a problem. Moving to the cons of using Tizen OS over Android. The only problem that exists with Tizen is that Tizen App Store has limited apps. Tizen smartphone is missing some really useful must-have apps on their devices. Tizen storage management is somewhat bit poor. In this presentation, we have learned Tizen operating system, comparison of Tizen operating system with Android, pros of using Tizen OS over Android OS, and lastly, we have covered cons of using Tizen OS over Android OS. Thank you.